Hi everybody, welcome again. Today we have some new tools in Adobe Illustrator which making a wonderful designs. So let's start. The first tool today is warp tool for making warp effect. For example, I will make an rectangles like this. Copy and paste in place. And again. And color them. Red and like yellow. Like this, and make it group. And now use warp tool. I can use it like this. Select all shapes and use warp tool to make it like a flag, or I can warp borders only. Also, I can double click on warp tool to open settings like width, height, and angle, and intensity of warp, and detail and simplify. And also I can make it with text like this, create outlines, and now I can warp it. I can decrease the size like 30. And I can make an warp for text. Second tool, twirl tool. This tool is very interesting. I will increase the size and make an interesting effect like this. And I can make it here like this. And with text, I will decrease the size. Can make an effect like this. The third one, poker tool, is used to expand shapes inside, like this. Expand shapes inside. I will select one point like this and expand it like this. And I can use it like this. And with text, like this. The fourth tool, blot tool, like a poker tool but outside, like this. to accent shapes outside. And with text, like this. The next tool is Sculpt tool. This tool is used to making sharp edges but inside, like this. It is very beautiful. Like this. And with text, increase the size. Make a beautiful effect. Like this. The second one, Circlize tool. The same tool like Sculpt tool but outside, like this. And with text, very beautiful effect. The last tool today is Wrinkle tool. This tool make a beautiful effect like this, like a frequency. And with text, that was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.